Engineering. It is the practice of science and math to design or make things. Recent advances in electronics and communication engineering have revolutionized almost every aspect of human life. Communications, household appliances, medical, automobiles are few names from the vast list of areas. That's why today we are witnessing the needs of engineers everywhere, even in this COVID pandemic situation. Often, after 12th, what's next is the basic concern for both students and parents. So they find it difficult to decide which is an appropriate branch in engineering so that the students will lead the field of engineering in a successful manner. For any success, there should be a contributions. Here you can see that three pioneers, Bardeen, Breton, and Shockley, invented the first bipolar transistor, were jointly awarded Nobel Prize in 1956. Their discovery of the transistor was a major breakthrough in the field of electronics. So the best way to identify the appropriate branch shall be investigated through the fact. So you will be certain for a long-term career. Here, as per Sunday Adalja, life became a dilemma when you are living a purposeless and goalless life. Please note. See the gadget that is available in and around your surroundings, like mobile phone, laptop, microwave ovens, televisions, 3G, 4G, automobiles, and many such equipments, etc. They are electronically controlled devices. They have revolutionized the conventional technology to modern technology. Let's understand the world of electronic branch. ECE branch is considered as an evergreen branch because it meets the needs of the current technological demand. ECE is a hybrid of the area of electronics plus communications, where the students study both software and hardware domain. The software area in ECE is interesting and the student experience the ECE branch by handling the hardware devices. That's why the electronic engineering is a sustainable growing field. Here you can note the quote of Tony Robbins: "Your current situation does not determine your future. Your future is determined by your decision to succeed." Let's see some of the vibrant areas of the ECE field. Many ECE fields centrally involved in driving the future of artificial intelligence and machine learning, where ECE engineers participate in and lead such collaborations. They have proved and shown outstanding contributions in this field. You will find that many ECE students face the challenges of software coding in the hackathon competitions and won prizes, both in India and abroad. Let's see some of the BTech ECE courses. And these courses under the Electronics and Communication Engineering are Electronics Devices and Circuits, Digital Communications, Signal Processing, Antenna Systems Design, Microprocessor, Soft Computing, Wireless Technology, Wireless Network, Radar and Navigation Systems, VLSI Signal Processing, Optical Communication and Networks, Embedded Systems, and many more such type. The ECE students use the software tools such as for PCB designing, circuit designs and EDA tools, microcontrollers, simulators of various type, embedded systems, antenna designs, VLSI design softwares, and so. Let's see the trend in EC. Some of the trends are there for a long time, such as IC technology, memristors, molecular electronics, green electronics, cyber electronics, mechatronics. These are some of the areas related to the trend in the EC. Now let us see the rapid advancement in the EC, which is influenced by the consumer electronics, communication and wireless technology, medical electronics, transport electronics, optoelectronic systems, wearable gestures, remote sensing, and power electronics. Let's see the diversification areas of EC when involved with other branch. EC with mechanical contribute towards the mechatronics and automobile. EC with civil engineering contribute towards the structural health monitoring. EC with chemical contribute towards the microelectronics. EC with computer science contribute towards the artificial intelligence. EC with production contribute towards the process control. EC with electrical contribute towards the power electronics. EC with aeronautical contribute towards the aircraft and spacecraft. So these are some of the contributions and wings of the EC. Now let us see some of the specialized area that can be integrated towards the BTech courses. Some of the specializations of diploma who gaze for the higher study in BTech EC are applied electronics, instrument technology, electronics and instrumentations, medical electronics, instrumentations technology, instrumentation engineering, biomedical engineering, medical electronics, medical instrumentation, electronics engineering, computer engineering, computer hardware maintenance, electronics and communication engineering, electronics production technology, telecommunication technology, electronics and avionics engineering, mechatronics engineering, electronics and robotics engineering. Now let's look across the career prospects of the EC. If you do EC, then you will have many options to choose the career, such as electronic engineer, communication engineer, software engineer, automation engineer, embedded engineer, cyber security engineer, electrical engineer, aerospace engineer, artificial intelligence engineer, and so on. Some of the key positions that is offered to an electronics engineer are design engineers, system analyst, broadcast engineer, IT consultant, network engineer, nuclear engineer, control and instrumentation engineer, manufacturing system engineer, network planning engineer, customer support engineer, electronics and communication consultant, research and development software engineer. So let's see the scope of EC. The opportunities for EC engineer in varieties of sectors, such as in the government, public sector, private sectors, MNCs, defense field, research development, civil service, IAS, IPS, teaching field, entrepreneurships, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Some of the core industries in the EC with respect to the government sectors, I will consider as a metro rail corporations, DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organizations, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, some of the public sector companies like Electronics Corporation of India Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited, Cochin Shipyards, BHEL, HAL, BSNL, and so on. Coming to the private sectors in the field of telecommunications like Vodafone, Qualcomm, Tata Teleservice, Airtel, BSNL, and so on. Embedded systems such as Bosch, Honeywell. In the area of analog and digital electronics, Samsung, Nokia, LG Electronics, Sony, TCS, L&T Infotech. In the networking, Cisco, D-Link. In the signal processing, Texas Instruments. In the chip designs, AMD, Intel, Wipro, Cadence. So these are the industries where the EC find the scopes. So let me summarize. It is true that the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering always keep nurturing its students on the path of Digital India and Skill India through all its unique initiatives and in the real sense for contributions. With a lot of diversifications in the field of ECE branch, students find employable widely. That's why the scope of an electronics and communication engineers seems to be bright and evergreen. So, I inspire you to be the part of this evergreen branch and contribute for the future technology. Thank you.